Hello everyone, welcome to
Good to Know.
Alright, we got another, we have specials for y'all all the time. This is a special for us. So we bought this together. We're going to review our outdoor gourmet pellet grill. It's a Triton XL pellet grill. That means it's extra large, and it is. It's beautiful. Where did we get this at? Academy's
Sports and Outdoors.
Outdoor and Sports, or Sports and Outdoors. But we got it on a sale. It's normally $499. We've got it for $399. So, and I think they still got the sale on if you go now.
It's mid-December.
Mid-December. All right, we're going to give you a show of this. We'll go with some outside features. We have the smokestack, and it has it just rolls up and down to close the smoke off, but it says don't close it all the way, so you can get down to about a quarter. Okay, on the side, I don't know if you can see this, but it has a drip spout coming out the side, and it has a little bucket that catches it. It's just right here. Now I put this together myself. It wasn't that hard. It looked intimidating, really intimidating, but it wasn't. And then it comes with some hooks on the side, on the handle, to hang whatever you want to hang. It has a collapsible front grate.
Show that again.
It has a collapsible front grate up here. Like that, and it will collapse. It comes with a standard thermometer here. A heat-resistant metal handle for the door. We're going to come over here. We're going to do the outside first. An on and off button. It comes with cook or smoke. It has preset smoke settings, or you can just use the cook setting and set your own temperatures. Then it has the up and down button to set your temperatures. It has your actual temperature and your set point temperature. They're easy to work. It has the grill temperature, and it has a probe right here that comes with it, and it says meat. So, and you can actually just, what do you call it, transition through those.
Right. Now the one that says meat, that is the temperature of your food.
Of your food. That's the probe that's in the meat.
And the one that says grill, that is the temperature inside the device.
Then we have a hopper here that holds 20 pounds of pellets. I have some in here. These burn forever. So we have the hopper. Has a power cord on the back. We're going to open it up. Now I have taken everything out.
Right.
All right. Rebecca's going to come over this way, and she's going to show you that right there is your thermometer for your grill. This is the hopper, right? Well, not the hopper. This is the burn box, and that's the corkscrew that sends it down in here.
The auger. The auger.
So it's up above it, so it won't back burn up into there. You want to lay aluminum foil on the bottom just to help catch your ashes, to easy clean up. We vacuumed this out after our first cook. Then you have your drain box right here. So we're going to put this back together. Rebecca's going to stand right there. So you got your flash guard or heat disperser that goes over the firebox. And we did do one cook on here. This is also your drain pan right here. And it kind of angles down into the drain box, which goes to that bucket we showed you. And it has 3 grill grates that look like ceramic coating on them. They're really heavy duty. Everything fits in like that. And we have a warming rack. So you really have the space in this to cook a lot of food.
And that warming rack is not one of those complicated ones with the weird hinges.
Oh, that sticks to the door, that comes down. You have to pull out. Everything came out easy. I've already cleaned it up once for a cook. Rebecca showed them the heavy-duty wheels. That's on the firebox side, the big wheels, and then it has these awesome heavy-duty casters with lock wheels, lock swivels.
Oh, while I'm over here.
Okay, there's the drain box with the bucket. And that's the grill, guys. That's the inside of the hopper. And you can fill it all the way up to the top. It even has, if a windy day, if you're somewhere it's real windy, it has a little lock latch on here so your lid doesn't blow up.
And it has directions printed on there so you don't have to worry about how do I do this.
Right. And everything is, I mean, this is solid stuff here, guys. Well built. Only thing that I would say, it does leak a little bit around the door. I would go buy a little thin gasket. For the green egg, they sell the gaskets for those. I think maybe if you get, I don't know, one may fit, but it's so big, I would say get 2 gaskets from the, that'll fit a green egg, and just take it and put it around your lid. But everything, I mean, everything is really well made on this. We cooked yesterday, it kept a perfect, it fluctuated between 5 and 10 degrees, and it stayed there all day long. So, alright, we're going to set up for a cook, and we'll show you a little bit of that. So, we'll meet you at the end. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us and watching John cook on his our new cooker.
Our new grill.
That was our Christmas present to each other. And that's Good2Know. Right here on YouTube.
All right, most important, y'all come back. Bye.
Bye.
I'm going to dig into this.
I know he is.